Today here's we'll show about Facebook's Messenger Room. Facebook is ready for house party and video calling for anyone. Now not required any other app for video calling. This feature makes it easy for you to create a virtual meeting room to hang out with your friends and family. So watch this full video to learn how to use Messenger Room. Make sure the process is same for iOS and Android device. So first of all, in starting, open the Messenger app on your device. Now here, tap on People at the bottom. To start a room, tap on Create a Room at the top. And your room is started. There are a few controls you will see on your screen once you have created your room. From options at the bottom, you can control who will be able to join your room. You can select who can join your room. You can select to allow anyone with the link, so even if they don't have a Facebook account, they can join it, or restrict it to only people with Facebook users. To invite someone to your chat room, tap Share Link. Then tap on Copy Link or send it in a messages. This makes it easy for the people who don't use Facebook. Also, you can share your room with your Facebook friends. Tap on Messenger to share room with your Facebook friends. And you can directly share from here. Simply tap on Send next to their name to share your room with them. You will see more options at the top. You can flip between your device front and back cameras or turn your camera on and off. If you tap on the cross icon at the top right corner, then you can leave the room and allow your friends to keep chatting, or tap on End Room, then end the room for everyone. To end the room, first tap on End Room, then again tap on End Room. So here, that's all done for Messenger Room. Hope the video is helpful to you and you enjoyed it. Like this video, share and do comments.